Medical science has evolved to understand the underlying biology of human diseases, such as cancer and genetic disorders. Regenerative medicine will utilize this science to develop cell and gene therapy and tissue-engineered products. Biotechnology companies, universities, and research centers are at various stages of bringing these products to market. Regenerative medicine is a complex supply chain. It is also challenged with business models such as direct product to patient and near-patient manufacturing at local treatment centers. This supply chain is also evolving into an ecosystem with time-critical collaboration across organizations. Convergence of operational technology and information technology can now enable integration of patient information systems, manufacturing process technologies, and automation such as MES with global logistics systems. Edge computing and industrial Internet of Things will also accelerate real-time communication and enable analytics across the supply chain. Organizations need subject matter experts with the skills to optimize processes and leverage innovative technology to meet the increasing demand. Global OT/IT quality services are the SMEs that can leverage their experience with multiple top-tier regenerative medicine clients. Utilizing proven cost-effective methodologies such as our business process management, IT health check assessments, and project management techniques, we have effectively delivered results for our clients. Look to us as a partner with regards to the digitization of the regenerative medicine products supply chain and to deliver value at whatever stage you may be. Global OT/IT Quality Services has the expertise from planning, developing the roadmap, and implementation.